Hello, I'm Dr. Alicia. Today I'm gonna show you how to bathe your dog. A little water, a little shampoo. How hard can it be to bathe a dog? Sometimes harder than you'd think, especially when you have a large breed dog and no place to do it inside your home. Because bathing and grooming your dog regularly is an important part of caring for your pet, I can share a few great tips on how to bathe your canine friend, trim his nails and clean his ears. Bathing plays an important role in the health of your dog's coat and skin, helping to keep your dog clean and free of dirt and parasites. How often should you bathe your dog? Dogs don't require daily scrub downs like we do, they do need regular baths. That being said, you want to bathe your dog only when it's really necessary, as doing it too often could do more harm than good. So how do you know when it's time to do it? This depends on several factors, such as the dog's environment and type of coat. Here are some general guidelines. Bathing once a month works for most dogs. Dogs with oily coats, like a Basset Hounds, may need bathing as frequently as once a week. Many short-haired breeds with smooth coats, such as Beagles and Weimaraners, do just fine with less frequent baths. Short-coated Basenjis are fastidious in their personal hygiene and rarely need a bath. Breeds with water-repellent coats, such as Golden Retrievers and Great Pyrenees, should be bathed less often to preserve their natural skin oils. Dogs with thick, double coats, such as Samoyeds, Malamutes and other northern breeds, do best with fewer baths and a lot of extra brushing, which gets rid of loose, dead hair and helps distribute natural oils that keep your dog's skin and coat healthy. Your veterinarian can give you an advice on how much bathing is appropriate for your individual dog. Where should I wash my dog? The owners of small dogs have an advantage. They can just plop their little pet in a sink or laundry tub. However, if you can't fit your dog in a sink, then you'll probably have to use the bathtub or get in the shower with them. If you have a large breed dog and no place to do it at home, you can wash your pooch in the backyard using a garden hose. You obviously want to do it on a hot, sunny day and make sure that the water you're using is relatively warm. How to do it? So, as we mentioned before, use lukewarm water. Dog skin is different from ours and hot water can burn dogs more easily. Water should be warm enough for your dog to be comfortable, but also to get the job done. Cold water won't clean as good. Bath water should never be hotter than what you would use on a human baby, which is around 38 degrees Celsius. Make it even cooler for large breed dogs who overheat easily. So to summarize, be mindful of water temperature and pressure. Next, make sure to fully soak your dog's coat. This may be challenging for especially thick or water-resistant coats. Talk to your pet in a calm and reassuring voice. This will relax most of the dogs and let them know they're safe. Use a dog shampoo. It dries their skin less than a shampoo for humans. Don't forget that pH of dog's skin is different from ours. Canine skin is more alkaline than human skin, with a pH range of 5.5 to 7.2, while people pH is 5.5. You can ask your vet to recommend the best shampoo for your pup. Work the shampoo into a gentle foam, adding water as necessary and spread it all over your dog's body, avoiding sensitive areas, including his eyes and face. Rinse off the shampoo well. Any soap left in their fur can irritate your dog's skin once they're dry. Do it as many times as necessary. Drying your dog after the bath is an essential part of the bathing process to keep your pup comfortable and healthy. You can use a bath towel or you can leave your dog outside to dry on his own. Once he's nice and dry, we'll trim his nails and clean his ears. Regular nail maintenance is more than just aesthetics. Unhealthy nails can cause pain and in rare instances trigger irreversible damage to the dog. For this reason, nail trimming is an essential part of dog grooming. You can make the process more fun for your dog by giving him some treats. If you've never clipped a dog's nails before, you may want to have your veterinarian give you a lesson on how to do it. There are several types of dog nail trimmers, including scissors, grinder tools specifically designed for dogs, and guillotine types. You can use whatever type you are most comfortable with or whatever works best for your dog. If you look at your dog's claws, you will see a darker section inside. It's where the nerves and blood vessels are found. Never cut to the quick because your dog may bleed. Instead, only trim the white part of the claw to avoid any injury. Pick up a paw carefully in your hand and gently press on the pad until you see the claw clearly. Clip only the tip of the nail straight across or diagonally, step by step. Include the dew claws located on the inner side of the paw. For dogs with dark nails, watch for a chalky white ring. Only cut a small part of your dog's nail diagonally at a time. Look closely how I do it in this video. It's always better to leave a longer claw than to cut too deep. How to clean your dog's ears? Cleaning your dog's ears does not require any special equipment. A good quality ear cleaning solution, some cotton balls or gauze, and some treats to reward your dog are all that is needed. Don't use the cleaners with hydrogen peroxide or alcohol because they can cause irritation within the ear canal. Grasp one ear and hold the ear flap, known as pinna, up vertically to expose the ear canal and help straighten out the ear canal. While holding your dog's ear flap gently but firmly with one hand, hold the ear cleaning solution in your other hand. Apply the cleaner directly on the cotton ball or Q-tips and use them clean the ear canal. In this case, you must be very careful with the Q-tips to not damage the ear canal. While I hold the ear flap up, I wipe away the debris from the inner part of the ear flap and the upper ear canal using a cotton ball. Then I insert the cotton ball into the canal as far as it will go. After that, I take the Q-tips and I soak them in the cleaning solution again. I gently remove the debris from the ear canal and repeat up to several times until the swab is clean. I repeat the same process with the other ear. Should your dog require any ear medication, please wait a few minutes before using in the affected ear as instructed by your veterinarian. Remember, while it's important to clean your dog's ears when needed, overcleaning may cause irritation in the ear canal and this can lead to infection. Some dogs which have healthy, clean ears may never need to have their ears cleaned. If your dog's ears are red, inflamed and painful, consult with your veterinarian prior to cleaning. Your dog may have an ear infection or ruptured eardrum. Always reward the dog after with a treat or special toy. This shows your pup that grooming isn't a bad and stressful experience and leads to something positive.